Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see the part 2 of quizzes and how to find quizzes. So let's start. So in the before video that I uploaded yesterday, I have said about quizzes and the link is given in the description box. You can find that. So without any delay, let's get started. So Kahoot is also a software which acts like the same of quizzes, but you have a different user surface. So let's see that. So first what you have to do is you have to go to Google. First get signed in your Google account and then type Kahoot, that is Kahoot, Kahoot. And down if you see, I've got it as this one, https kahoot.com. This link is given in the description box, and let's start. But before that, I also want to explain about one more link, that is this one, https://kahoot.it, where you can play the games, and you can, whatever games that is done over here, they will give pass you the code, and the code has to be entered in this website, and you can click on enter, you can write your nickname, and then you can start playing. So that is one that I wanted to say. So first let's look at Kahoot. So I'm going to click on that, and it this this window comes here. I'm going to sign up. I'm going to log in. If you didn't log in still now, then you can start signing up. Yes, so now we are on logged in to Kahoot, and here this is the creating area where you can create. So here first thing that I want to say is what you can search for. Here you have Disney, Minecraft, NASA, many things about cartoons. You have Rebel Girls, Time, National Geography, World Games, everything. Lots of things are there which you can search for. Here I'm going to search for, let's search for Lego. Search for Lego. You have even like educational things also, but this time I want to search for Lego. So we have Lego, and here we have lots of things on Lego. I think we have this one, which is the best Lego quiz ever invented. So let's just click on that. If you click on that particular one, it's just loading. Yes, so here to the right side of the screen, as you can see, to this side of the screen, you can see the questions and images related to the questions. And here you can see the image, and here you can see the title. You can start playing or you can assign it to anyone. So let's start playing. Yes, so now I'm going to click on classic mode, where you can, individual players can play, and if it is team versus team, that means shared devices should be there. So I'm going to click on classic options. Before that, game options are many are there, like show question and answer on player's device. So I want to show question and answers on player's device, so I'm going to on it. You need lobby music, so you can put any music that you want. And also we also have a order of questions. Do you want to randomize the order of questions, randomize the order of answers, friendly nickname generator. So we have many things like that also. And after that we have automatically move through questions and many things like that. I'm going to click on classic mode. So this screen comes after that, and then after that, you have to say them to log into this one and enter this pin code, and they will click submit, and then there will be a nickname that they have to do, and then you can click on start according to people came into this. Now let me just join into that with another account. Just copy link to share. I'm going to copy this one. Yep, I copied the link. Now I'm going to click on that. Yes. Yep, now I'm going to give my nickname as Rushi. And here, Rushit came, so you can start. The questions will come on the screen and on your screen if you click on the on button for the settings I said you, right? So that one. And now if you want to create, now if you want to create, you can click on create. So you can see this window appears, and here you can type your question and you can insert media. You can click on write answers over here. You can write quiz type true or false, a slide or whatever. And for the slide, you need the another one, person present info. So time limit you can set, and you can say point standard, and we also have answer types like single select, multiple select, and you can add questions over here. You can add slide over here, and we also have we you have to also write your Kahoot name. And you can click on the settings for generating like title, description, save to, lobby video, and many things like that. So this is the interface of Kahoot, how to play and how to create. And if you like this video, do like, share, and also subscribe. And also, I am going to start a live stream in soon, and the promo will be released. So stay tuned for that also. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.